Hi, my name's Joanne, and this is my husband, Joseph. And in 2019, I underwent a surgery for a hip replacement revision. And due to complications after that, I lost 2/3 of my vision, which became a disability. There were a number of things that we felt were not handled properly between hospital and rehab, and we wanted some expert advice on the matter, and we were referred by a friend to Kornblau Associates, and that's how we came to know them. Well, it's the first time we ever have gone through something like this, and it was brand new to us. There was a lot of anxiety, I guess, during it, but the team just made us feel comfortable every step of the way. It was very professional, explained everything to us and our rights and what they thought it was a good case, and I was just really comfortable with the services that were provided.
It reassured us most every step of the way.
Yeah, no question was too silly to ask, and available at all times, anytime that we had a problem or question. It did go to trial, which was a little bit of a surprise, but it was okay because, again, we were walked through every step of the way. We were told what probably was going to happen and what to expect, and that took a lot of the anxiety away from the process. I was very impressed when we were in trial. I mean, during the time before we got there, like I said, we felt comfortable with everything that was going on, but it was a little bit more anxiety-provoking being in a courtroom. And again, we felt comfortable with everything that was being explained to us, and we were extremely happy with the professional representation that was given during that time. Very prepared. I felt like you guys hadn't slept for a really long time before we went to court. There were details after details that were nothing was missed.
I was concerned that it would be overwhelming to her, but I think that you guys really kept a calming presence for her. And again, I was, like she said, I was very impressed with the amount of prep work that went in, that you guys put in.
Just reassuring, it was just reassuring every step of the way. I mean, this was a process of 5 years that we spent together preparing for this, and we just felt totally comfortable. And I was really impressed by the amount of documents that were brought up on the screen that showed details after details of what happened, and it was a lot. It was a lot of work that went into that. I would just say they are down to earth. They are just very professional and very easy to work with. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure to work with them.
Well, I know people that have gone to see attorneys before, and they get the associate who's way down on the totem pole of the firm. We were dealing with the people who are actually going to be our attorneys, not somebody whose name's on a billboard somewhere.